Hey, this is a tutorial on how to put PSPlayer MT on your PSP. First, go to the link on my description and then hit download on the little download box right here. But to save time, I already downloaded it, so save it to your desktop, and because that's the easiest place to find stuff. Connect your PSP on USB mode, go to PSP game, and then you could go ahead and open the RAR file, and then there should be two folders in there called PSPlayer MT with the %, and another one without it. So just go ahead and drag and drop those two folders onto your PSP game section, and hold up, just let it copy that. Alright, you can close all this down, exit out of USB mode, and then by the way, you should be running at 1.5 kernel. Go to your memory stick and it should be right there, PSPlayer. Yeah, just let it load up. And yeah, you could just go down to video, hit circle for enter, and then just you can watch whatever video you want. And that's it, man. Thanks for watching.